In these videos, we'll be talking about some of the many different ways you can use the Peaqs platform, either by building on top of the work your students have already put into the platform, or by setting up the system with new headlines, dynamics, and configurations to have them work with a different approach to your subject. We've made it easy for you as a teacher to create new relevant iterations of Peaqs sessions for your students. This is done with a number of predefined sessions that support various subjects. So we have available standard Peaqs sessions for design thinking, change management, agile product development, entrepreneurship, and business model canvas. And the list is growing. Some have our signature virtual stock market engine enabled, and others don't. That's up to you. Common for them all is that they can be executed with the exact same degree of flexibility as any other Peaqs session, allowing you to tweak headlines, add learning resources, and time box the progression of the session according to your course plan. And we'll even provide you with a list of exercises and key questions for classroom activation to get you off to the best start possible. I hope you found this video useful and inspirational. Get in touch with your Peaqs onboarder and we can brainstorm how you can take your Peaqs experience to the next level.